आई मी और मैं को प्रमोट करने आ गई हैं प्राची देसाई हमारे स्टूडियोज़ में, जूम के स्टूडियोज़ में है। और प्राची, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई मी और मैं, इट्स मतलब नाम से ही लगता है पूरा सेल्फ ऑब्सेस्ड कोई बंदा होगा, उसके बारे में कहानी है।
या एग्जैक्टली। और फिर तीनों एक्टर्स को खुश करने के लिए हमें एक एक टाइटल दे दिया गया है। एक है आई, एक है मैं, एक है मी।
तो प्राची क्या है, आई है, मी है या मैं है?
तीनों yeah, come on, I mean completely. But it's more about, actually the film is more about this character Ishan. He's obviously self-obsessed. With the title you can totally tell. ये एक ऐसी film है जो, you know, it's a very very lovely little thing where you know, there's like everything into one film.
Working with John and Chitrangada, how was it?
It was a lot of fun. I think John is one of the most charming co-stars I've ever worked with. He's also this true blue Parsi boy. Parsis are generally that charming, you know, and then he is that.
And with looks that John has, totally charming.
Oh my God, totally. But all that aside, you know, he's a very smart guy. I think with age and with experience and the amount of years he spent in this industry, there's a lot of things that he knows, and you know, you just never know it. But you know, you're not looking out for someone to say something, but he just says these things and he passes off, and it's much later that you realize that, oh my God, he just said the right thing that day. Oh, he said that. Oh my God, and it's right. That's the kind of person that John is. You know, he's and I think he can be extremely influential as well. Also, I you know, initially I didn't know when to take him seriously and when not to, because he has this smirk on his face all the time. He'll just say something and pass by, and you'll be like, oh God, stop joking. But then you realize that no.
In the interviews also.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So he's very serious about it, but it's just that, you know, it's a little disguise, and you're like, oh my God, what did he say that seriously? Did he not? And even where the scenes are concerned, I mean, because I love this role so much, I just was having complete fun with it. And for him also, see, he is not Ishan, okay, but he had to play a complete in the film. And to do that, yeah, you know, I mean, you have to just have fun with it. Just let go and just do it. Just be that. So the kind of scenes that both of us had, it involved having so much of fun, pulling each other's legs so much, and you know, there was like so many impromptu things that we could do, and we brought that in, which is why it became even more interesting. I mean, you cannot do things like that on script. Lines hai apni jagah par, aur fir, you know, whatever else there is, it comes from the chemistry of like two people.
And Chitrangada?
I totally enjoyed working with her. She's lovely, and you know, she's very sorted. She's calm, very very calm. So when I had to do all the yapping, she was just like, oh my God, oh my God. Yeah.
Okay, well, so lastly, I, Me or Main is going to hit the theatres pretty soon. So one thing for the fans, if you have to say, what would?
I Me or Main is a film that I think everybody's going to relate to, and you young kids in the college, guys, don't miss this film for sure. Please, you're going to thoroughly enjoy it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.